Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel India Jobs Station, where we bring fresh jobs directly from the companies and the authenticated jobs. And today we have hotel jobs for you. So let's go through the jobs requirements. This is the announcement directly from the hotel group, which you can see on the screen. Unit of Amar Punjabi group, they have posted this, and as it is, I'm announcing it for you. Hotel Lilac unit of Amar Punjabi group are urgently looking for the below mentioned positions at the Kota Rajasthan location. The first one is HR executive. Only female candidates apply for this position. Second position is F&B controller. Third position is Komi First Tandoor. Fourth position is GSA housekeeping. Fifth position is GSA F&B service. Salary is negotiable. This is clearly mentioned. तो आप जो भी बात करेंगे, आपका जो इंटरव्यू होगा, नेगोशिएशन होगा, उसके बेसिस पे सैलरी निर्धारित होगी. तो ये आपका नेगोशिएशन स्किल है, आप कितने पे जो है मानते हैं और वो कितने पे आपको मनवाते हैं. सो दैट इज़ कॉल नेगोशिएबल. सो सैलरी इन्होंने नेगोशिएबल रखी हुई है. इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स विद रेलेवेंट एक्सपीरियंस इन द होटल इंडस्ट्री मे शेयर देयर प्रोफाइल रिज्यूमे CVs at this email ID, which I'm going to read it for you. hr@amarpunjabigroup.com, which is clearly visible here on the screen, you can see, or call 7300048351 with your current salary expectation. Accommodation and meals will be provided by the company, so it is an excellent opportunity, because accommodation and meals, they are the expensive things which will be provided by the company. So if your skills and the experience is matching, go for it, apply quickly please. Let's move on to the next requirement. This is the next opening announcement from Radisson, and exactly whatever they have published, I'm reading it for you. We at Radisson Blue Plaza Hotel, Hyderabad, Banjara Hills, restaurant manager, assistant manager, food and beverage associates. The assignment is temporary for 1 month only, based on the performance. Maybe it will be extended. Again, it is based on the performance. So requirement, prior experience in a similar position is a must. Only those candidates who living in Hyderabad and can join immediately should apply. तो ये इन्होंने क्लियरली मेंशन किया हुआ है, क्योंकि अभी पेंडेमिक चल रहा है और फेज़ 2 चल रहा है, वी ऑल नो. तो ट्रबल बाउंडेशंस एंड लिमिटेशंस हैं. तो बेस्ड ऑन दैट उन्होंने कहा हुआ है कि जो कि हैदराबाद में हैं कैंडिडेट्स और आसपास हैं और इमीडिएटली ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, दे शुड अप्लाई, विच इज़ फेयर इनफ, क्योंकि इमीडिएट ओपनिंग है, अर्जेंट ओपनिंग है. और प्लीज़ फॉरवर्ड योर अपडेटेड प्रोफाइल CV बायोडाटा एट दिस email ID, विच आई एम गोइंग टू रीड इट फॉर यू. ऑल्सो विजिबल ऑन द स्क्रीन. D dabolkar@radisson.com. Let's move on to the next requirement. Ramada group की requirement है ये, गुड़गांव. So I'm reading it for you as it is, as it was posted by the group. So Ramada Gurgaon Central looking out candidates for below said positions: account executive AR, second is AC technician. Reference and interested may send their CV at this email ID. So जिनका भी प्रोफाइल मीट हो रहा है और जो इंटरेस्टेड हैं वो इस ईमेल आईडी पे CV भेज सकते हैं, hr@ramadagurgaoncentral.com. Another requirement is this in front of your screen. 4 points by Sheraton. Dehradun is looking for purchase executive. Interested candidates can share their profile at hrd@4points dehradun.com. आपको स्क्रीन पे भी दिख रहा है, बिल्कुल भी गलती नहीं करनी है. एज इट इज़ इस ईमेल आईडी पे आपको CV भेज देना है अगर आपका एक्सपीरियंस और नॉलेज रेलेवेंट है. This is another requirement which is in front of you. We zone by the park Jodhpur looking candidates for the following positions. Associate Indian section, F&B production department, Associate South Indian section, F&B production department. Interested candidates can share their resume on email ID given below, hr.jdh@zonebythepark.com. Here is the next requirement. Clerks Ajmer Jaipur. 2 B&QT sales executive female. Second is sales executive with experience of Jaipur market. Bridge Nest Jaipur की ये रिक्वायरमेंट है. उसमें इन्होंने लिखा हुआ है ऑपरेशन मैनेजर फ्रॉम फ्रंट ऑफिस बैकग्राउंड, एरिया सेल्स मैनेजर अजमेर, बंदनवारा, पुष्कर. इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स कैन व्हाट्सएप देयर CV एट दिस नंबर. इन्होंने नंबर दिया हुआ है विच इज़ फेयर इनफ. आप डायरेक्टली बात भी कर सकते हैं. +9195 9969 1589. डायरेक्ट आप CV भेज दें, बात कर लें.